Are you and your family looking for something truly unique and out of the ordinary? Well, you gotta come check this out.
Screens were small, the sky was huge. We learned patience watching roofs. Bees hung low behind the barn, chickens scratching in the sun. You said, listen, this is life. All that buzzing, all that run. We had a swing in the backyard, flying past the tree line, grass stained, sunburned, shouting just one more time. Every laugh, every scrape, every firefly night built this dream home in our minds.
But it's not all fun and games here. At 439 Natone Road, this family home means business. Let me show you some of the features.
Little days that last a lifetime. Laundry on the crooked line, rain clouds rolling over hay. You drew castles in the dust, said we'd live there someday. Now there's toys on hardwood floors, finger paint on every wall. Same old breeze across the porch, different names that hear me call. We got a swing in the backyard, flying past the tree line, tiny feet pumping hard, push me one more time. Every lunch on the steps, every porch light night feels like watching my own life rewind. Yeah.
So, can you picture it yet? Kids playing in the yard, chickens laying in the coop, surrounded by the sounds of our beautiful country lifestyle. Well, if you have, I'm just a phone call away.
Chase bigger skies, leave their boots and lullabies. Will they hear that distant hum when the city traffic comes?